Assalamu alaikum, good evening, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. This is Dow Jones hourly chart. Currently Dow Jones is trading almost at the highest level of the day. It has recovered from 29,200 and currently trading at 29,450. It made high around 495 and currently trading 450. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend of the market. Dow Jones resistance stands at 29,600. Dow Jones support at 29,180. Today is Friday, so I will recommend you to not to hold the position for Monday. Currently Dow Jones trend is weak, so avoid going for buying. If Dow Jones break 29,600 and manage to sustain above that level for at least 30 to 60 minutes, then Dow Jones will enter in positive zone. After that Dow Jones can test around 29,900 and 30,100. Currently it is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. Now let's move on to Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq hourly chart, currently trading above 12,000. It has entered in positive zone and currently trading almost at the highest level of the day. It made high around 12,028 and currently trading 12,013. Let's have a look at resistance and support. Nasdaq resistance stands at 12,220. Nasdaq support at 11,920. Currently Nasdaq is in positive zone, so I will not recommend you to sell. But if Nasdaq break 920 and manage to sustain below that level for at least 30 to 60 minutes, then Nasdaq will enter in weak zone. After that Nasdaq can test around 800 and 600. Now let's move on to S&P 500. This is S&P 500 hourly chart. It had also entered in positive zone. Interestingly, it made double bottom on hourly chart and currently trading 35.80. However, a major resistance is still intact at 35.92, which is here. So let's have a look at resistance and support. Despite it is positive on chart, I will not recommend you to buy for two reasons. One, today is Friday. Second, it had not broke the high of 35.90 or 92. So I will ask you to stay with caution and do not buy until unless S&P sustain above 35.92. That is also our resistance at 35.92, support at 35.57. Even though it is in positive zone, I will not advise you to buy. But if S&P break 35.57 and manage to sustain below that level for at least 30 to 60 minutes, then S&P will also enter in weak zone. After that S&P can test around 35.20 and 3500. Now let's have a look at commodity pack. First we will see gold prices. This is gold hourly chart, currently trading almost same level since morning. I have updated one video in Asian session. If you want to watch it, you can watch it on my Hindi channel. I have given my Hindi channel link in description. Even if you do not understand Hindi, you will able to understand the level because I write levels just like that. Currently trading gold is trading 1866. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend. Interestingly, resistance is unchanged since morning. 75, 76 is the resistance. Gold support at 1848. Currently gold is trading in weak zone, so I will not advise you to buy. But if gold break 1875 and 76 and manage to sustain above that level for at least 30 to 60 minutes, then gold will also enter in positive zone. Above 87.85, gold can test around 1890 and $1900. Now let's move on to crude oil prices. This is crude oil hourly chart. It has entered in positive zone, but I will not advise you to buy because it has not broken the high of 42.50. So we will wait till crude oil break the high. Crude oil resistance at 42.50. Crude oil support at 41.40. Currently crude oil is in positive zone, but I will not advise you to buy because of two reasons. One, it had not tested the high of this candle. It needs to break this candle and manage to sustain above that level for at least 30 to 60 minutes, so we can be sure that crude oil has entered in positive zone. Second, today is Friday, so I don't want you to hold the position for Monday. Now let's move on to Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin hourly chart. As you can see, it has been a roller coaster ride for Bitcoin trader. It made almost $800 candle 3-4 hours ago, and it is continuing to trade in very volatile zone. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend. Current Bitcoin support stands at $17,600. Bitcoin resistance at 18,550. Currently Bitcoin is trading in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. If you have liked this video or if you find this video useful, then please like the video and share the video. You can also subscribe my channel for future update. If you want to avail my buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I will see you tomorrow. I will see you now Monday. Till then, take care. Bye bye.